How to enter and redeem Roblox promo codes. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open Roblox, click on Roblox at the top right corner of your screen. Click on redeem Roblox codes and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Enter code. To enter code, simply you'll find active Roblox promo codes in Google. Click on the one, and if I want this code, simply scroll down. I'll copy this code, which is for boy bundle. Click on it, Ctrl+C, copy it and paste it in here. Then press on redeem. And as you can see, code successfully redeemed. To search for this, click on three lines at the top left. Go to inventory. In inventory, you'll find your redeem code as its bundle. I'll click on bundle. And as you can see, if you click on it, it's showing in this way. And in here, it's item owned. And this is how to enter and redeem Roblox promo codes. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for joining.